Hey everyone, here's the 3D print and cast of a 14 karat white gold diamond ring we helped the client's customer in Georgia model and create. The customer had 3 similar sized round diamonds, but wanted the center diamond to appear larger and stand out more from the 2 side diamonds. Our client and their customer went back and forth on a sketch similar to the ring you see here. When the sketch was sent to us, we were tasked with making the rough idea into a physical ring. We made the center outermost ring more substantial and to really draw focus to the center setting. The points of the implied X on the center setting were raised up a good bit higher than they normally would. This was done to break up the visual flat surface of the outer ring connecting to the side settings. When these points were just 0.3 to 0.5 mm higher, the whole design looked relatively flat. The center prongs were also rotated to a square orientation rather than the plus orientation to again contrast the visual flow between the center setting and the side settings. For the shank, it was laid out as a standard slightly domed band but tapers inward as it reaches the center setting. A plain shank was used to not distract from the 3 top settings. It's usually better to go subtle than over the top. Once the stones are set and the final polish is applied, the outer ring's reflective surface mixed with the shadows from the diagonal points will instantly draw the viewer's gaze to the brilliant white diamond. If you are looking to have a ring custom made from an idea or sketch, feel free to send us the image or information and we will work with you to make it a reality. We are always here to help in any way we can. For anything else, feel free to leave us a comment, and as always, thanks for watching.